So this is Euro Yen analysis for Monday the 5th of February. Now, let's have a look what happened in prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw prices in around the second. We were expecting price head up towards at 37.44. If we did find resistance at 37.44, as previously mentioned, we were expecting price head back down towards this 36.93, and that's pretty much what we did see happen. We did mention that if we did successfully break this 37.44, the very next major level that we would be looking at would be all the way up at the 39, well, essentially 39 level. So if we do find support here at the 36.93, we are looking for price head back up towards our 37.44, a successful break from which we'll be looking for price head ultimately up to this 139 level. But it is a pretty big zone, so again, we will be looking at the whole and half marks. And what do I mean by that is we'll look to see how prices react around the 138 and 138.50 before looking for that 139 level. Now, if we see the further downside continuation, and if we're not able to hold this 36.93, we're looking for price head down towards the very next major level in around this 136.38. Again, from there, we're looking for buy side momentum, possibly taking us up to this 136.93 or possibly up to 137.44. If we, however, we're not able to hold this 136.38, we do have a very what would appear to be setting up as a very strong level in around this 135.60. Now down at 135.60, it's not only a major level marked out here in red where we've had previous consolidations and we've previously found support, but it is also an area where we do have the 200 and 400 period movers, 200 and 400 period moving averages pretty close by. The 400 period moving average are likely to act as dynamic level of support and have a confluence in around this area, therefore increasing the likelihood of a potential increasing likelihood of upside momentum coming into the market from this 135.60 level. Now, with that said, that pretty much just wraps up everything on this hourly chart. So let's have a look at the higher time frames on the Euro Yen before wrapping up here. So if we head over to the monthly chart, as you can see on this monthly chart, it's pretty clear. From our lows just down here, we've been in a very strong on this monthly chart of the Euro Yen. Over the past several months, we've only had one bearish month, which was a bit of a pin bar just there. But ever since then, we've had bullish months, and we do look poised for further bullish months all the way up to this 140, in around the 140 level, or possibly these highs over here to your left. So we do look poised for further upside continuation on the Euro Yen. Now, let's just have a look at the weekly time frame. So over to the weekly time frame, we've come down in here, found our lows, higher low there, brief pullback, bull flag break beneath this 200 period moving average. Went in this period of consolidation, we've broke out, brief pullback, had a strong week last week. We had a pretty strong week last week after the pullback, so we are expecting further upside momentum in light of the strong momentum we saw into the close of last week. So again, we do require prices to head back up and break this 137.44 before looking for that 139. But we'll see if we do get a retracement before we see further upside continuation. Our most recent trend is pretty clear here. We've been above the 20 period moving average for quite some time, since April essentially. We've been above the 20 period moving average since April. We've had a test or two, but ever since then we've been pretty consistent in our move to the upside on the Euro Yen. So let's head over to the daily chart for wrapping up here on the Euro Yen. Over to the daily chart, we had this long period of consolidation around this 134 and 131.70 before we saw the upside break back into the range, further upside continuation, using the upper end of the range as support, using it as a springboard for further upside continuation, and that's pretty much what we've seen. The upper end of the trend range being at 134, come down, tested it, and we've had further strong buy side momentum. So previously, an area of support, an area of resistance, now acting as support for further upside continuation all the way up to that major level of the 137.44. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.